Okay, today we're going to talk about the proper use of the Forex heat map. You use the Forex heat map to guide all of your trade entries. It's a visual map of the market that tells you what individual currencies, in this example, the Canadian dollar, is strong, and it points you towards fantastic trades on the Forex market and also gold. So here's our dashboard on our website. You go to the Forex website, Forex Early Warning website, and you see our dashboard. You log into the website, and here's the Forex heat map. So you can see that all the currencies are stacked on top of each other. So in about 45 seconds, maybe 60 seconds, you can see all the currencies plus gold. And you can see gold is having a tremendous day today. Gold is weak against the US dollar, a little bit weaker, but it's strong against all currencies because it takes the fact that the gold is strong, but the New Zealand dollar is slightly weak. Therefore, the big mover today is going to be anything with XAU on the left against a weak currency. And here's a great example right here of gold moving up very strong against the New Zealand dollar, also against the Aussie dollar, which is also weak, you can see here. So this is an example of a great signal on the Forex heat map. Okay, so if the Canadian dollar is strong on the Forex heat map in real time, you'll get strong movements on a big series of pairs, USD Canadian, Canadian yen, and other pairs too. So this is in one trading session. You can get a lot of pips just from one currency and one strong movement as long as the signals are consistent with Canadian dollar weakness across the board. The Forex heat map doesn't tell you if the pair that you're looking at is trending or ranging or anything like that. You have to look at the charts for that, but it does provide you with strong guidance in getting into profitable trades, and it does it day after day. Sunday afternoon when the Forex market opens all the way through Friday afternoon. It's got a great layout and control system. You have a heat map for the Asian session and main session, and following the signals, even for a ranked beginner trader, is not that difficult. So what you can do now is you can match up the heat map with your chart setup. So look at this example here. This is the Aussie dollar is clearly weak across the board. But look, here's all the Aussie dollar pairs, 4 of them out of the 7 on one screen. So you can see the Aussie dollar weakness. But in some cases, the pound, the Aussie dollar is the cross currency. And you got this fantastic movement on the British pound against the Aussie dollar. So the combined pip totals, when you start to get consistent signals, can be very strong, like gold today. And if you add up all these pips on just one trading session, it's fantastic. And you're actually tracking 8 currencies plus gold. So you have high pip potential. You just got to wait for the signals to be consistent on one currency. Sometimes you have consistency across several currencies, and there's more pips, more trades than you can ever possibly uh, trade in one session. So we have at the bottom of this lesson, we have some trade entry examples. So if you want to see a bunch of different trade entry examples, you can look at these. You can look at what does a good Forex trade look like. If you want to see what does a good trade look like on one of the New Zealand dollar pairs, selling the New Zealand USD or buying the Euro New Zealand, you want the consistent New Zealand dollar weakness, and then you want the chart setup that matches the Forex heat map. This is the best way to trade the Forex market and the gold market. It's superb. Now, if gold is weak across the board on the Forex heat map, you'll get strong sell-offs. Gold is volatile, but you want the correlated pair chart setup. You want gold set up against multiple currencies, okay? And you'll see you want that consistency in the charts, and you want to trade with much more confidence. Even if you get in halfway through the movement, just halfway, you'll be doing extremely well as a trader. And then when the pair finally stalls, you can just exit the trade. So the Forex heat map is a fantastic tool. It works for 8 currencies plus gold. So that's a total of 9 assets you can trade with it. When you're tracking an individual currency like the Canadian dollar, you'll be presented with multiple trades and a lot of pip potential. This is just one trade, but the Euro Canadian and Canadian yen also moved in this one trading session. So the pip potential of using a system like this where you can glance at the entire market, 8 currencies plus gold, in under 60 seconds is great. And we also have various alert systems that go with the Forex heat map that'll get your eyes moving in the right direction. We have Telegram push alerts for the heat map. You can use the news calendar. You can use audible price alerts. We have a set of 5 different alert systems that are tied to the heat map and the trends of the market to make sure that your trading experience is highly productive and you're making more pips than the folks that just stare at 1 or 2 charts. So this is the Forex heat map. This is from Forex Early Warning. And we invite all traders to evaluate this type of system against what you're doing now. We think you'll find that this is a far superior trading system to the one you're using.